Want to watch Netflix for free? Here's how you can do it in 2025. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1, free trials. First, check if Netflix is offering a free trial. They sometimes have limited time offers where you can try the service for free for 7 to 30 days. Just sign up with your email and payment method and you can cancel before the trial ends. Step 2, share accounts. If you have a friend or family member with a Netflix account, you can ask to share their plan. Netflix allows multiple users on one account so you can watch for free if someone's already paying for it. Step 3, use the mobile-only plan. Another option is Netflix's mobile-only plan, which is typically cheaper than other plans. In some regions, Netflix has offered limited time promotions for this plan that could let you watch on your phone for free or at a significantly reduced cost. Step 4, look for special offers. Occasionally, companies like internet service providers or mobile carriers will offer free Netflix as part of a bundle. Keep an eye out for those promotions when switching to a new provider or upgrading your service. Step 5, explore free Netflix content. If you don't have access to Netflix through the methods mentioned, there are some free shows and movies available on the platform without a subscription. Netflix has offered a rotating selection of free content that you can watch on their website. Conclusion: that's how to get Netflix for free in 2025. Use free trials, share accounts, or take advantage of special offers. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.